City life has its limits. We are far from nature, and fun usually means movies or night pub expedition. No wonder so many of us jump in the car and escape the city wherever we can. Do you remember when last time I took you to Three Cliffs Bay? Okay, so there's the secret side. Small, cozy and high tide it shrinks to just a silver of beach. But hey, it's still big enough for a tent. Don't believe me? I actually camped here once. But let's start from beginning. Both beaches are separated by the large massif of the high Tor limestone formation, which is perhaps why the beach is called Tor Bay. This limestone was formed 300 million years ago in shallow, warm tropical seas where layers of sand, mud, and the remains of marine organisms were deposited. How to get there? First, do not park any of the sites car park nearby to Three Cliffs Bay. Instead, drive through all these car parks that direct you to Three Cliffs Bay until you see the tiny chapel of St. John the Baptist Penmain and turn right. Or go a bit further and turn right again direct to the stable Penmain.
This car park is for free. It's a little bit back of the road, and I will just show you this car park because I've got 35 subscribers, so as you can see there's a lot of space for all of us. But if you watch this video after 2 years and I've got 1 million subscribers, it could be a little bit tight, so no worries, for now it's good. I will show you the way. So just be careful because it's very busy road on both directions, and I need to find the gate. It's quite high then, that's why that bridge is high then too. So yeah, just beware, it's very dangerous here right now. As you can see, this is just only road, 2 direction, no any patch.
Today I will show you a place where the whites remind us what freedom really feels like.
It's pretty easy to miss the way. So just remember, if you pass the gate and you're going down, you will be passing through the small cottage. I will show in a minute. As you pass this cottage, you will be passing through that wooden gate. Is there some private property, and you have to leave this little forest behind. Okay, the patch here is more pleasant. Like as you can see, the surface is smoothie, so it's nice work to go down. Finally, I see golden sands, and we're going through waves of plants, weeds, and yeah, look at the sands. Woo-hoo. Finally, the proof of beach nearly. The other one is ready to swim. It's hot? That's awesome. Hey, there is no far, from this car park, and the view is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, you have to see that. Look at this. I think you have to go down, Adam.
Cooler than that beach.
This one is cooler than this one before? You think so?
Yeah, because the water is floating on.
The water is closer, but the water, it depends from the tides, like last time when we've been, it was very far away from land. It's a regret to say, but this is not, it's not easy access to all of these beaches I show you. That's why probably it's not for everyone. If you are disabled or you've got, problem with your leg, with your knee, it will be pretty challenging for you, definitely. To be honest, I will tell you what I really like in these beaches and waves, because they are rough. They are untouched by the human. And for example, in Poland, you've got everything facilitated, is the car park, patch, proper, pedestrian patch to each beach. You've got showers there. So it's quite posh. But here is very wild, that's why probably it's not for everyone. Not everyone can like it and could like it. But I love it. I really love, because like I just imagine like someone came here before me, for example 400 years ago, and he's seen exactly the same view I see right now. Beautiful landscape crafted by nature itself. So yeah, I think this is what I like the most.
I'm already done.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
Imagine that during the high tides, all caves disappear, like everything will be underwater. Can you imagine more white place right now, like this one? Okay, I can be surrounded by the lions and tigers, but be honest, I just live on the waves. Okay, I think I need to evacuate from that side.
Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
That would be test. The wave is absolutely giant. Come on, we see boys under the water. And it's coming. Woo. Right. I love Egypt just because it's so beautiful underwater. In here, unfortunately, it's not, but the waves are incredible. Okay, so we do this together, okay? We see. You have to wait when one big wave come here, and then we will dive. Ready? I'm still here. I'm alive.